Welcome to Riverview Touring Park. Let's take a look around. And Riverview Touring Park is situated just south of Brecon Beacons National Park and not a million miles away from Swansea. Let's take a quick look at the drive-in. The main road is the A483, which is a decent sized road, but as you're about to see, it doesn't take long for the road to get a bit narrower, so take care if you have a bigger unit. And that is the toilet block on the right there, and here we are pulling into the reception area. We are going to start today's walk from the reception. I can't show you inside, I'm afraid, as it was closed when we arrived and it was also closed when we left. Here's a quick drive around the adults only area. This is now going up to the two main camping fields at the top of the road, and the field off to the left is one of the fields, but our pitch is number 37 and it is off to the right here, so let's check out the right hand field. We are now down by the reception and the toilet area. I will cover this more in a moment, but there is only one toilet block, and like I said, it is near reception, so if you are one of the two fields up top, you will have to take these stairs each time nature calls. And continuing the walk, this is a walk past one of the fields, and if we head straight on here we get through to the bar area, and we're now just back down by reception. If you head past reception you will come to this small river, which, if memory serves me right, I did see a few people paddling in while we were there. And we could only find one real downside to this campsite, was the fact that it only had one shower block, but for us that is quite a big one. This is the gents. There was two shower cubicles in here and two shower cubicles in the ladies next door, and because there was only two and it was only one shower block, the footfall was quite high. This is the gents, but as you can see, the ladies was a little bit untidier. And thanks to that high footfall, it did show in the cleanliness, unfortunately. And here we have the bin and water areas at the top of the steps near one of the fields that we stayed in. It's quite dated, but it was adequate. And it also included, as we're going to see in a second, one of the chemical toilet disposal areas. There we go. And here is the bin area next to the reception. The washing up area was outside the toilet block, undercover, and looked neat and tidy, although there didn't appear to be any plugs. And here we have the laundry room. There was a motorhome service point. And there is also a play area situated in the centre of one of the two upper fields. But for us, the best part of this campsite was the bar and the recreation section. It had a covered area where they had live music on certain nights, plus a great play area for the children with goalposts and a nice big grass area. Here is a better look at the bar, and they also had these wigwam type huts that hold a fire pit in one side and a TV area in the other, which I didn't video as it was always popular with the children. Nearby, Riverview Touring Park is in South Wales, and it is a good location for exploring Brecon Beacons National Park and only 20 minutes or so from Swansea. We were visiting the Four Waterfalls Walk the next day, which is about 45 minutes away. So would we return? Well, unfortunately not. While we love campervanning and camping, we also like clean facilities, and I think until Riverview Touring Park add at least another facilities block, then I think we're unfortunately going to steer clear of this one, which is a shame because the location and the bar area is fantastic. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this campsite review, and if you did, why not give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It's free and all you have to do is click that button below, and we'll see you in the next video.